So signaling from the air is a very important thing, and you know, when your rescuers come looking for you, they're going to have air crews or have ground crews. Well, your air crew is going to be very important for locating you and signaling the ground crews where you're at. So you may not have a signal mirror, you may not have this or that, and primitive way that you can signal the air crews is by making a smoke signal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a smoke signal for you today. Good. First thing you're going to want to do is make a tripod. So you're going to need 3 skinny little sticks like this, or saplings. I do believe this one's dead, so it should just snap right off. Nope, it's not dead. So if you don't have a saw, a really easy way that you can break these is to get a really nice sharp bend in it like this. Take your knife, just do that. We're just taking these 3 sticks, I'll make them into a little bit of a tripod here. You can use just regular old vine or some paracord. What I'm using is some inner strands because I don't want to mess up my actual piece of paracord. This don't have to be, you know, TP or nothing. You can just throw this together real quick. All it needs to do is be able to support the weight of some kindling and some tinder. All right. So now the next thing you're going to do is we're going to need 2 platforms. We're going to need one right here, and we're going to need one up here. So the first one is going to hold a lot of tinder. This is going to flare up. Your second platform is going to hold all of your greenery and stuff that's going to make a lot of smoke. So we're going to have the last stick on right here, over here, and then another platform up here. Okay, so what I've done is I've got my platform made. This is going to hold all our tinder, and then up here we're going to stuff this with as much green, wet, damp stuff as we can. The flames are going to come up through here, they're going to hit this and make billows of smoke. Okay, so we've got this built. Now ideally we'd have this somewhere that's a little more wild out in the open where you can see it better from the air. But what I'm going to demonstrate today is just how visible this is from the air, especially from directly above and from the sides. So how this works is you'd leave this, and when you hear a plane, helicopter coming, whatever, you light your torch. So you got to make a torch, and you want to light it from underneath in the middle. Flames want to come up. They're going to hit all these wet leaves, make tons of smoke. So let's light her up and see what happens. So when you come in, go ahead and light it from the bottom. And that'll set off your smoke signal. Now, the little thing I didn't mention earlier is how important it is to clean out the bottom here. And the fire's going to move over and start burning this off. It's a little on the side. That's pine resin. The best thing you should be able to use for this is green stuff, which I didn't throw in there because there really ain't nothing green this time of year. If you can find some cedar, cedar works great. What you can see on the drone even though this one isn't smoking as much as, say, a cedar smoke signal or a green smoke signal, you can still see this pretty clearly from the air. And of course, you'd couple this with arm movements and flailing yourself back and forth, try and use the movement to draw your rescuer's eye. But that's this video. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you don't have to use this, and if you do, hope it saves your life. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you all for watching. Hit that little bell ding-a-ling icon down below. Like, subscribe, and comment. See y'all later.